Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Fisker. We previously published an initial report on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. From October 19, 2023, our system has identified Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.88. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a significant loss of 57.44%. This means it has been experiencing an average daily loss of 2.61% since it was labeled as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken a significant downward trend, indicating a potential further fall. While there may be false breaks and temporary recoveries, any bounce back to the breaking point of $3.79 should be seen as an opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, the new bottom line of the next trend could be around $2.09, but it is still too early to confirm this. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -31.18% change expected in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.40% to 55.64%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -26.76% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -5.68% to 86.53%. This translates to a price range of $2.29 to $4.53 after 1 year. Our latest update on Fisker brings an important headline: big movements in Fisker stock price on Friday, with a 19.09% fluctuation between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, Friday, November 17, 2023, the Fisker stock price experienced a decline of -13.52%, dropping from $2.81 to $2.43. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During this trading day, the stock price ranged from a low of $2.40 to a high of $2.86, showing a 19.09% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a total decrease of -46.59%. Although the trading volume increased by 16 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. A total of 39 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $95.05 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $8.67, while the lowest price was $2.40. Currently, the stock price stands at 71.96% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $6.24, and 92.4% below the all-time high on March 2, 2021, when it reached $31.96. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham issued a rating of Hold for FSR with a corresponding action of Hold. Similarly, on the same day, Raymond James gave FSR a rating of Market Perform and a corresponding action of Hold. Moving back to Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA rated FSR as a Sell with an action of Upgrade. Let's jump to Wednesday, November 30, 2022. On this day, Evercore ISI gave FSR an Outperform rating with an action of Initialize. Finally, on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley rated FSR as Equal Weight with a corresponding action of Hold. Analysts have given Fisker stock a neutral rating, indicating a balanced outlook. They believe the PE ratio suggests a strong buy, while the price-to-book ratio also indicates a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a sell rating, indicating caution. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Fisker. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals for the Fisker stock. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, which suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the upside, there will be resistance from the lines at $3.37 and $5.04. However, if the stock manages to break above any of these levels, it could issue buy signals. It's worth noting that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 3, 2023, resulting in a significant -64.16% decline. This suggests that further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Additionally, volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of these developments. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals that you may find useful in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 34 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal that was identified 49 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal that was generated 13 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 25 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short-term moving average is currently indicating a sell signal that occurred 25 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a sell signal that was identified 24 days ago. Interestingly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages is signaling a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. Currently, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below today's level, which indicates potential vulnerability for the stock in the coming days. It's important to note that this stock is highly volatile, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band suggests a wide prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. In the past day, the stock's price fluctuated by $0.458 or 19.09% between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 15.29%. Before we explore potential good trading levels for Fisker, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 26, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Fisker. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $2.81. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. It's crucial to exercise caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Fisker's average rating from multiple analyst sources is currently neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Buting Flores purchased 160,183 shares of Class A common stock. On November 6, 2023, Buting Flores purchased 0 shares. On October 6, 2023, Gruel Wendy J. purchased 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, Hickson Markey purchased 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, McDermott William R. purchased 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -10.735. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased a total of 2,722,151 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares. We have conducted a thorough evaluation of this stock and unfortunately, our findings are negative. We do not recommend investing in this stock at this time. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Fisker currently shows several negative signals and is following a significant downward trend. Based on this, we believe that the stock will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. As we look ahead to Monday, November 20th, we anticipate Fisker to have an opening price of $2.56, representing an increase of $0.133. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By accessing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.